I appreciate. I'm blessed. You know, great family, great kids. I'm a happy person, you know. Margarita, eh? And my love here on the left. Vai, Cris, dá aí um chute fixe aí na baliza, vá. Argentina! Argentina!
¿Qué tal, boludos? ¿Cómo están?
My girlfriend, she's from Argentina. Many people don't know that, but she's half Argentinian and half Spanish. So I love Argentina. People thinking I don't like Argentina, but I like it a lot.
Somos buena gente los argentinos, claro que sí.
Guapi.
Nos vamos a cenar.
Dice chao, chao.
Buenas noches. Besitos.
Chao, Eva. Dice hasta luego.
Adiós.
Adiós. Cris, dice chao.